Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Tie the ponytail. Divide the hairs. Now after that take small section of the hairs. Tie the knot like this on the hairs. Follow the same step for few more times. Keep tying the knots one by one. Fix it. Tie them. Now we will fix the hairs in the bottom till the end as like. Now tie the knots. Fix it properly. Make the plaits on the end and fold it. And your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides, rotate it. Now take small sections from the downside and roll them one by one using the hairstyling tool like this. After that, we will join all the hairs like this by rolling them together. After rolling it, fold it upward and fix it, and it's ready. Next, put this hair clip on the hairs or a hairstyling tool. Now take the hairs from the sides one by one in the zigzag shape and fix inside the clip like this. Fix all the hairs together in the same manner. Make the plaits at the end. Tie the hairs and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs on the top. Now rotate it. After rotating the hairs, divide it into two parts and then divide it like in the sides and make the plaits on each section of the hairs. Fix it by making the plaits. Tie it, fold it upward and fix it downside, and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides like this. Divide it and then take small sections and tie the knot like this on the one section of the hairs. Fix all the hairs in the same manner. Follow the same step for the other side as well. Join them and it's ready. Thanks for watching.